Hello. Welcome to Speak Easy Lesson 2. In the first lesson, we saw a general description of the course and talked about 3 free tools that can help us in this course: the phonemic chart, the phonemic translator, and the talking dictionary. We can find links to these tools in the description of this video. In this lesson, we will begin to explore one of the elements of the course, pronunciation, and introduce another very important component of this course, vocabulary. To use a language, we need to know words. The words we know are our vocabulary. We don't need to know all the words in English. We just need to know enough words to express ourselves and understand others in common situations we participate in our lives, like at school or at work, talking to friends and other people, and in this course. So let's see. Do you know these words and expression? General, description, tools, explore, elements, introduce, component, express ourselves, participate, situations. General is like the whole thing, not just a part. Like speaking in general, not just pronunciation or other parts of speaking. Description is telling how something is, for example, telling someone how your house is. Tools are things we use to do something, like spoon and fork, are tools we use to eat food. Explore is like try to find out. Elements are parts. Introduce is to let know, like when you introduce yourself, you let other people know who you are. Component is also a part that belongs to something, like the wheels are components of a car. Express ourselves is telling other people what we think or feel. Participate is doing something, like asking a question in class or telling something we know or want. Situation is like what is happening. The meaning of words can change in different situations, so it is a good idea to learn how to use the same words in many different situations. We will do this as part of the course. We will start our pronunciation studies by talking about the sounds of the English language and the relationship between sounds and spelling. We already saw in the previous lesson that the same letters or combination of letters can have different sounds. Let's talk about the letter A. In English, the letter A can have 5 different sounds. Check it out. Sound 1 as in apple. Sound 2 as in snake. Sound 3 as in father. Sound 4 as in ball. Sound 5 as in many. You can use the phonemic chart to check each of the different sounds of the letter A in English. When we learn a new word, we need to learn the sound of that word, and the best way is to listen to the word. This is why we use the talking dictionary, because many times we don't know the sound just by looking at the word. We also need to practice how to make the sounds, because we don't have some of them in our mother language and don't know how to make these ones. Let's start with the first sound of A. Snack, lamb, fan, van, map, bat, cat, fat, exercise. 1. Think of words in which A has the same sound it has in the list we saw. Use the phonemic translator to check if you are correct. Use the talking dictionary to hear the words out loud. Practice saying the words. Practice saying the sound. 2. Research how to use the words in our vocabulary list. General. Description. Tools. Explore. Elements. Introduce. Component. Express ourselves. Participate. Situations. That's it for this lesson. See you next time.